In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a battery on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to loosen the jam nut for our negative terminal. Remove the bolt for the terminal and push it out of the way. Using a 14mm wrench, loosen the jam nut for the positive terminal. Remove the bolt. Pull that terminal over to the side. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolt for the battery clamp. Remove the bolt in the clamp. Remove the battery. Install the battery into place. Get it lined up. Install the lock down into place and get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Install the positive terminal and get the bolt started. Using a 14mm wrench, snug it down. And then snug down the jam nut. Get it nice and snug. Install the negative battery cable. Get the bolt through it. Snug down the bolt and the jam nut. Get it nice and snug, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.